Hello world, this is your well thinker the executor, and today I am here to start a series on this is how you can be hacked. The info I share is general knowledge that everyone should know, but if you go ahead and try out doing stuff that is illegal, I'm not responsible. I'm neither a hacker by profession nor planning to be, so don't ask anything regarding that. Well, in today's world, technical knowledge is must, but that's not possible for every one of us, and for that reason, I have done minimal explanation. No offense, but even a 10-year-old kid can understand this. And since there are lots of methods that a hacker uses, so I went ahead and serialized it. Now, without any further delay, let's know about hacking method type 1 XSS, or also known as cross-site scripting. There are further subtypes, but in this video we will only see the subtype 1, that is reflected XSS. Now every one of you must have used Google, right? And I'm so innocent that I don't know the meaning of boner, so I will go ahead and ask Google. And here is what Google says. And on side note, for the people who think I am not innocent, how do you think you know the meaning? Now back to the topic. Have you ever cared to inspect the URL? Here you can see the word boner. Stuff after that is not important. Now if I change the word to bone and hit enter, I will get this page related to bone. Now if I change bone to bone and hit enter, I will get this page. Reflected XSS is nothing but related to URLs. A change in URL will be reflected in the result page. Now for a real life scenario, suppose you have a bank account at Boner Bank and it has its own website bonerbank.com. One day a stranger sends you a text like, your bank account at Boner Bank is debited by 200 rupees at time something date something, and if you haven't done this transaction, please report at bonerbank.com/something something. First thing a common man will do is get panic and open that link. No doubt the link will open the website, but this is actually where you lost your money. That something after bonerbank.com is called payload. What the payload does is open a backdoor for the hacker. They will get the credentials of your banking account and also the OTPs. And the rest is, as you know what will happen after that. Now you have gained knowledge and you are not a common man anymore. What you should do is never touch a link from a strange SMS or strange emails, even if there is the official name on it. If you have to do anything, use the official website or the official app from Play Store or App Store. You can only trust emails ending with @officialname.com, for example support@google.com or @facebook.com, etc. And that's all for this video. I'm not after likes or subscribers, just share the video with more and more people, and if you have any questions, comment down below. Stay secure from cybercrimes.